Imagine looking up from a crowded street near the port and realizing your cruise ship departure time is only minutes away. No shuttle in sight, heavy traffic everywhere, and your phone suddenly starts receiving final boarding alerts from the cruise app. For years, many passengers believed cruise ships would simply wait a few extra minutes for late arrivals. But modern cruise operations have become far stricter about departure schedules, gangway deadlines, and port clearance timing, especially at some of the busiest ports in the world. And once the final boarding window closes, the ship may legally leave without you. In recent years, passengers have gone viral after being stranded at ports, running toward departing ships, or discovering too late that local time and ship time didn't match. So in this video, we're breaking down the strict shore excursion timing rules cruise passengers need to understand in 2026, including gangway cutoffs, port curfews, automated boarding systems, and the costly mistakes that leave travelers behind. And trust me, number 4 and number 1 are the mistakes cruise passengers regret the most. Let's get into it. Number 7. Why cruise ships are leaving ports earlier than before. A family enjoying a beach excursion in the Caribbean thought they still had plenty of time left, until their cruise app suddenly sent a final boarding warning hours earlier than they expected. During a Mediterranean and Caribbean cruise season that saw record passenger traffic in major ports, many travelers began noticing something unusual compared to previous years. Ships were leaving earlier. For years, passengers had become used to relaxed shore schedules, where spending an extra few minutes shopping, eating, or taking photos near the port didn't feel like a major risk. But recently, cruise operations have become far stricter about departure timing. At several major cruise hubs, ports began tightening docking schedules to reduce congestion caused by larger ships competing for limited space throughout the day. That meant cruise lines could no longer afford long delays waiting for late passengers to return from shore excursions. One traveler later described how surprised they were when crew members began making repeated boarding announcements much earlier than expected, while passengers were still spread across the city. According to cruise industry reports, tighter turnaround schedules and growing port traffic have pushed many cruise lines to enforce more rigid all-aboard times than passengers experienced in previous years. For travelers used to relaxed island hopping, the change has caught many people off guard, because today, even a short delay returning to the ship can become a serious problem much faster than before. Key point: modern cruise schedules have become far stricter as ports struggle with heavier traffic and tighter docking windows. But stricter schedules are only part of the problem, because many passengers don't realize the ship's clock itself can become one of the biggest reasons people get left behind. Number 6. Why cruise ships can't wait for late passengers anymore. A couple running through a crowded port thought they still had a few extra minutes left, until they saw the gangway already being pulled back toward the ship. During a Mediterranean cruise, 2 passengers returning late from a private shore excursion realized traffic near the port had become completely gridlocked. At first, they weren't overly worried. In previous cruises, they had seen ships delay departure briefly while late passengers rushed back on board. But this time felt different. As they approached the terminal, crew members were already preparing the gangway for removal, while final boarding alerts continued appearing on the cruise app. By the time they reached the dock, security scanners had already stopped processing returning passengers for that sailing. The ship was preparing to leave. In recent years, many ports have adopted much stricter departure coordination systems as cruise traffic continues increasing worldwide. Large cruise ships now operate on extremely tight docking schedules tied directly to fuel planning, tugboat coordination, pilot schedules, and the arrival timing of the next vessel entering port. That means even short delays can create major logistical problems throughout the day. Passengers often assume the captain can simply wait a few more minutes. But modern cruise operations leave far less flexibility than many travelers realize. Once final clearance procedures begin, the ship may legally need to depart on schedule, or risk penalties, congestion issues, and disruption for other ships entering the port afterward. For many passengers, the reality only becomes clear when they physically see the ship starting to disconnect from the dock. Key point: modern cruise departures operate on extremely strict schedules, leaving far less flexibility for late passengers than in previous years. But even passengers who arrive on time still make one mistake that causes thousands of people to panic every year, because ship time and local port time are not always the same. Number 5. Why shore excursions have become more stressful than before. A couple visiting ancient ruins during a cruise excursion thought they had plenty of time to return, until heavy traffic turned a short drive back to port into a complete nightmare. During a Mediterranean cruise stop, 2 passengers booked a private inland tour several hours away from the ship. The schedule looked manageable at first, but as the afternoon went on, traffic near the port became heavily congested with buses, taxis, and thousands of returning cruise passengers all trying to reach the terminal at the same time. What was supposed to be a quick return trip suddenly stretched into nearly 2 hours. Inside the bus, passengers started checking the cruise app repeatedly as final boarding reminders appeared one after another. That's when the atmosphere changed completely. The excursion stopped feeling like a vacation and started feeling like a race against the clock. In recent years, many major cruise ports have experienced heavier congestion than ever before, especially during peak travel seasons where multiple megaships arrive on the same day. For many passengers, even a small delay now carries much bigger risks than before. Key point: modern port congestion has made returning to cruise ships far less predictable than many passengers expect. But traffic isn't the only thing causing passengers to miss their ship, because one small time-setting mistake continues to strand travelers at ports around the world every year. If this is making you rethink how risky shore excursions can actually become, hit that like button. It really helps more cruise travelers discover these hidden port rules before their next trip. And comment below, have you ever been close to missing your cruise ship? Because coming up next, we're getting into the time-setting mistakes, excursion risks, and boarding cutoffs that continue leaving passengers stranded in ports around the world. And trust me, number 1 is the mistake cruise passengers make even after hearing all the warnings. So stay with me, you don't want to miss this. Number 4. What really happens if your cruise ship leaves without you? A passenger returned to the port only to see the cruise ship already pulling away from the dock, while his luggage, passport copies, and entire vacation plan were still on board. During a Caribbean cruise stop, a traveler booked a private beach excursion outside the cruise line's official tours. The schedule looked safe, but heavy traffic, delayed ferries, and long terminal security lines caused him to arrive at the port just minutes after final boarding had already closed. By the time he reached the dock, the ship was already preparing to depart. At first, he assumed the cruise line would help arrange transportation to the next port. But according to updated passenger policies and standard cruise contract terms, passengers who miss departure times during independent excursions are often responsible for arranging and paying for their own transportation to rejoin the ship. And in international ports, that can become extremely expensive very quickly. Last-minute flights, hotels, private transportation, and emergency travel documents can suddenly cost thousands of dollars within hours. What shocks many passengers most is realizing that some travel insurance policies may not fully cover missed departures caused by delays considered avoidable or outside-approved cruise-sponsored excursions. For many travelers, the real panic doesn't begin when they're late. It begins the moment the ship starts moving away from the port. Key point: missing your cruise ship can quickly turn into a stressful and extremely expensive international travel emergency. But surprisingly, many stranded passengers weren't even late because of traffic. They missed the ship because they were following the wrong time completely. Number 3. The smart strategies experienced cruise travelers now use. A passenger watched dozens of people sprinting back toward the ship in panic, while her group calmly boarded nearly 3 hours before departure without any stress at all. During a busy Mediterranean cruise season, one experienced traveler noticed the atmosphere around ports had changed dramatically compared to previous years. Passengers were checking boarding times constantly, excursion groups were rushing through crowded streets, and late return panic seemed far more common than before. But after years of cruising, she had already adjusted her routine. Instead of booking long, independent excursions far inland, she focused on shorter activities located closer to the port area or tours directly coordinated through the cruise line itself. Most importantly, she followed one personal rule no matter where the ship docked: be back near the port at least 2 to 3 hours before final boarding. At first, friends thought she was being overly cautious, but during one port stop, traffic delays and terminal congestion caused hundreds of passengers to arrive dangerously close to departure time. Meanwhile, her group had already boarded comfortably hours earlier while avoiding the chaos entirely. She also relied heavily on cruise app alerts and smartwatch reminders to track boarding windows throughout the day, instead of depending only on memory or local clocks. For experienced travelers, modern cruising has become less about perfect timing and more about avoiding unnecessary risks completely. Key point: experienced cruise travelers now prioritize buffer time and safer excursion planning far more than they did in previous years. But even careful passengers still underestimate one major problem that continues causing confusion at ports around the world, because ship time and local time are not always the same. Number 2. The time zone mistake that keeps leaving passengers behind. A passenger looked at the clock on his phone and thought he still had nearly an hour left before boarding, until he reached the port and realized the ship had already departed. During a cruise stop in Mexico, one traveler spent the afternoon exploring local shops and restaurants near the port while casually checking the time on his phone throughout the day. Everything seemed completely normal. According to his device, he still had plenty of time to return to the ship. But when he finally arrived near the terminal, something felt wrong. Passengers were gone. The gangway had already been removed, and the ship was slowly pulling away from the dock. That's when he discovered the mistake. His phone had automatically switched to local port time, while the cruise ship itself was still operating on ship time. And on many cruises, those two times are not always the same. It's one of the most common reasons passengers miss departures around the world every year. Cruise lines repeatedly warn travelers to follow the ship's official onboard time, the cruise app, and departure notices directly from the vessel itself, because relying only on local clocks, phones, or city time zones can create dangerous confusion during tight boarding windows. For many stranded passengers, the problem wasn't traffic. It was being 1 hour off without realizing it. Key point: one simple time zone mistake can cause passengers to miss their cruise ship even when they believe they are still on time. But even after all the warnings, strict schedules, and port alerts, passengers still continue making one final mistake that cruise crews see over and over again. Number 1. The one mistake cruise passengers keep making before departure. A group of passengers watched their cruise ship slowly pull away from the dock, while they stood only a few hundred feet away still trying to get through terminal security. During a crowded European cruise season, several passengers returned to the port believing they had arrived just in time for boarding. Technically, they weren't far behind schedule, but what they underestimated was everything that still had to happen before stepping back onto the ship. Long security lines, terminal checkpoints, identity verification, final boarding scans. By the time they reached the actual gangway area, boarding had already closed completely. Crew members could only direct them toward port officials while the ship prepared for departure. What shocked nearby passengers most was how close they actually were to making it on board. They could still see the ship, they still hear announcements, still watch crew members working along the dock. But once final clearance procedures finished, the ship could no longer delay departure without disrupting the entire port schedule behind it. Experienced cruisers later explained that many passengers still make the same mistake repeatedly. They treat the all-aboard time as the moment to arrive at the port, instead of the moment they should already be fully on board the ship. And in today's stricter cruise environment, even being physically near the terminal may already be too late. Key point: the most dangerous mistake cruise passengers make is arriving at the port too close to final boarding time. So, which of these new cruise departure realities surprised you the most? And have you ever come dangerously close to missing your ship? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. If you want more cruise secrets, hidden systems, and real travel situations most passengers never hear about, don't forget to like and subscribe. Trust me, once you understand how strict modern cruise operations have become, you'll never look at port departure times the same way again. Until then, travel smart, stay early, and enjoy your cruise the right way.